Hello there and welcome to my new video. Before we start, please do subscribe to our channel to get a daily YouTube related content ideas. So today I want to show you hot earning YouTube channel niche ideas. So we are go to YouTube and our hot earning YouTube channel niche ideas is design with Canva. Design with Canva.
Everyone?
So this is a design with Canva channel. Here you can see 473 videos and 347k subscriber. So this is huge amount of subscriber rather than videos. So you can assume that this is a Canva related channel. Here learn how to use Canva to grow your business while having fun with Ronnie and Diana. We publish 2 new videos every week. That means he already published Canva related videos. Canva is a design related software, and how you can use how you can easily make any type of design with Canva, and he published videos about Canva. He published videos Canva tips and tricks, and he makes videos using Canva, how to design make easily with a Canva. So
Hey, what's up everyone?
So,
Rondi, welcome
guys.
back to another Rondi.
So guys, obviously this is a hot earning channel, and here if you can make this kind of video, then you can also earn a lot of money from YouTube platform. So from today you can try to earn by making this type of video. So let's see the possible earning of this channel per month or per year. And this is a social blade. We can go to social blade and check out with this channel name, and here you can see that estimated monthly earning 209 to 3,003k dollar, and estimated yearly earning 2.55k to 40,000 plus earning. So you can understood how many dollar earn from this type of channel. So if you like the video and want to get more of this type of video, then subscribe to the channel now and hit the notification bell icon and stay with the channel to get new videos, new information to make money from YouTube. So thank you so much. Thank you all.